Today we're going to talk about bosons. So bosons are responsible for 3 of the 4 fundamental forces. And the 3 that they're responsible for is the weak nuclear force, the strong nuclear force, and the electromagnetic force. So the weak nuclear force is responsible for your radioactive decay. So the bosons that are responsible for radioactive decay, they're called exchange bosons. Those are your W bosons and your Z bosons. So they're responsible for the radioactive decay inside the nucleus. Or you could say when a neutron changes into a proton, or when a proton decays into a neutron, it's all because of these bosons, those exchange particles. The strong nuclear force is due to the boson called the gluon. And it's called that because it glues the nucleus together. So it keeps all those protons together. Because you know from school that protons have a positive charge. So inside a nucleus, if I've got loads of protons, it's really hard to keep them together. So the strong nuclear force glues them together, it binds them together to keep the nucleus stable. And then the electromagnetic force is what's causing these to want to repel. So the electromagnetic force is held together by the bosons called the photons. But photons you've heard about before because of light, and it's actually the virtual photon. So what that means is we can't actually detect it yet, but it's the exchange particle responsible for the repulsion that wants to happen between these 2 protons in the nucleus. So in the nucleus, what we're saying is that you've got 2 forces there that are interplaying. You've got your electromagnetic force trying to get the protons to be repelled from each other, but then you have the strong force trying to pull them in together again so the nucleus can stay stable.